you have the characters, but you don't have two of them. And then you do a potion.
I saw it like
Bubbled up.
What is this doing? The wrapping's puffing up.
Okay. So you guys have to discover what's in the potion. So we put the little mix in. You add a little bit of water on it. And what is in there?
What are we gonna do? Magical Mixie.
Ooh.
Had to look at this sign to find your character, and then you look up here, and then that's what they do. So like these, you put it in a light, and then it glows.
A really cool little toy, and those are a blast.